Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking all about the new Wander Beauty holiday gift sets. The Wander Beauty team was kind enough to send me their 3 new holiday 2020 gift sets. And I'm so excited to be able to share these products with you because they also have a really great message behind them. First, we have the Itinerary Mascara Duo Set for $30. Itinerary. I just love this play on words. It does contain 2 full-size mascaras, the Unlashed and the Mile High Club. I have tried both of these. I am wearing the Mile High Club mascara today, but I will say this Unlashed is one of my all-time favorite formulas right now. It is so good. And I love this packaging because they're kind of squishy. So I feel like when you get toward the bottom of the tube, you can kind of squish that product into the wand and make sure you're using every last bit. Next, we have the Baggage Claim Upgrade Gold Eye Mask Kit. This is $45 and contains 18 sets of the super popular gold Wander Beauty eye masks. These do come in little individual packets. There are 2 eye masks per little pouch. And a pro tip for you is to buy the big package and then put 1 little eye mask set in every one of your presents. They're perfect for stocking stuffers. It's just a little added something to make everybody feel ultra special. And let's be honest, I think we can all use some help with our under eye situations lately. And then the one I'm most excited about this holiday season is the Daydreamer's Eye Essentials set for $49. This set does include 2 cream eyeshadows, a mascara, an eyeliner, and a highlighter. So it's basically like a whole look in a box. Today I'm wearing every single one of these products. I did put the lighter cream shadow on my lid and the darker one in my crease. And then to finish off this Wander Beauty look, I did use the On the Glow Blush and Illuminator Stick. This blush is in Petal Pink. I really love this little multitasker guy. It has the blush on one end and a highlighter on the other. I do have a full review of this on my blog. I will link that in the description box below. And then I used the Lip Retreat oil in Spa Day. Before getting into the swatches of the Daydreamer kit, I do want to give you a little bit more information from the Wander Beauty team about what makes these gift sets so special. In 2018, over 37 million people in the US alone struggled with food insecurity. Thanks to the pandemic in 2020, that number is expected to exceed over 50 million. As restaurants, hotels, and schools have closed throughout the year due to the pandemic, that has left a lot of farmers with crops and no buyers. Although that food could be used to help the struggling food banks, that food can't always get there. So this year for the holiday season, Wander Beauty has paired up with FarmLink. The FarmLink project helps get that food from the farmers to the food banks that need it. And that's where these holiday kits come in. From now until December 31st, 2020, Wander Beauty will donate 16 meals to the FarmLink project for every holiday kit that's purchased through WanderBeauty.com. I really love that partnership because not only can you buy products for your loved ones, but you can buy these holiday kits that will donate money to FarmLink and help people in need. These are the 5 products in the Daydreamer Eye Essentials kit, and I am going to go ahead and swatch them for you. This is the lighter of the 2 cream eyeshadows. This is the shade Steel Street. And this is the darker of the 2. It is the shade Desert Sand. I really like the formula of both of these products. I have applied them with my fingertips as well as a brush. I do like to apply cream shadows to my lid with my fingertip and then use a brush if you need to buff it out. For today's look, I did put the lighter shade Steel Street all over my lid. And then I put the darker shade Desert Sand on the back of my hand. And then I used a brush to blend that shade in the outer corner and the crease of my lid. Ultimately, I think they both applied very well and wore very well. Of course, if you apply with a brush, it is going to diffuse out a little bit and be a little bit softer and more sheer than if you pat it on with your fingertip. I will say the formula is a little bit thicker than like a Stila liquid eyeshadow. It does kind of teeter between a cream and a liquid formula. And the wand itself is pretty dense. It doesn't have a lot of give or flexibility to it, so there's not a lot of wasted product and it's very precise. This is the Highline Eyeliner in Runway, and it is a felt tip liquid liner pen. This one reminds me a lot of the Stila Stay All Day micro tip liner. It's very, very fine and very small, so you really don't get a thick line all at once. You can really do a lot more tight lining and more precise work with a brush like this, and you can also make your line a little bit bigger like I did today. That was a really terrible swatch. I'm gonna do it this way. So I thickened that up a little bit and straightened it out a little bit so you can see how really intense and opaque that black liner really is. I didn't have any issues with the application for my liner today. I did make a little bit of a bolder line. And again, I did have to do it in a couple layers to kind of draw the outline of the line and then fill it in because this tip is so fine. Last but not least, we have the Gleam Highlighter Stick in Sundew. And it is this really cute little tiny stick highlighter. It reminds me of almost like a lip balm or something. At first I thought it was a lip balm, but it is a highlighter. I am wearing it today. It did give a really nice subtle glow. It's very shimmery and dewy and not at all glittery. I did tap this on and then blend with my fingertips, but I will swatch it for you here. So you can see it is very creamy, has a nice reflect to it, but it is still pretty firm. You can see that that swatch did not mess up this highlighter at all, which is really nice. So it's not gonna get too soft and smudge all over the place. And we have the Mile High Club Mascara. This is just a standard mascara wand. It is kind of tiny, but I will say that it did really great lengthening and separating on my lashes. This Mile High Mascara is for length and volume, whereas this Unlashed Mascara is for volume and curl. So overall, I do prefer the Unlashed version to the Mile High Club version, but this Mile High Club Mascara is still really good, especially if you're looking for length. So there is a quick tour of these new holiday 2020 kits from Wander Beauty. If you are planning to pick up these holiday kits, don't forget to shop through wanderbeauty.com to get 16 meals donated to FarmLink for every kit purchased through December 31st, 2020. Thank you again to the Wander Beauty team for sending over these products for me to try. I hope you really enjoyed this little walkthrough of these 3 holiday kits. They are all so adorable, so great, awesome values and great products. They would make perfect gifts. And now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these products. Have you tried Wander Beauty before? Is there an exciting holiday launch you want to talk about? And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I launch a new video, and I'll see you next time.